Good afternoon, parents, teachers, and classmates. Did you know that Koh Kong is a must-visit place in Cambodia? My name is Songcha Ratana, and today I am going to present on a Koh Kong is a must-visit place in Cambodia. I have divided my presentation into three parts. First, Katamon Mountain. Second, Katamon Mountain, and third, Piang Krosang Walai. Now let's begin with the first part. The first part is Tatai Waterfall. Tatai Waterfall located in the middle of the forest. The water is warm, strong, and water is fresh and cold. It is a great place for swim, take photo, and listen to the sound of falling water. The second part is Katamon Mountain. Katamon Mountain is a mountain range on the biggest rainforest Southeast Asia. It is full of tall trees, and clean rivers are plant and wild animals. And the third part is Piang Krosang Walai. Piang Krosang Walai is a special place where tourists can walk through mangrove forest on the wooden bridge. This mangrove protect the coastline and provide home for fish, carp, bird, and even monkey. In conclusion, Koh Kong is a must-visit place in Cambodia, known for stunning natural beauty, waterfall, peaceful beach. Thank you for your listening.